One great feature of the Vevox PowerPoint add-in is being able to convert your old turning point slides into new Vevox polls. So first of all, if I just go through to my PowerPoint presentation, we can see here that I have this turning point slide. So first step, all I need to do is to delete the graph that we have on this slide. And then second step, under the Vevox tab, I just need to click on Convert to Poll. So this will automatically draw through all the information I have on that slide already. So now I can edit this if I wanted to. So you can see we have our question. I can come up here and I can add in any text. I can change my choices. But the main thing, I can also set a correct answer. So if I just tick that and then set the correct answer, and then once I'm ready, I can just click add. Perfect. So now you can see we have these example results in here. So this is just letting you know what the poll will look like when you have real results. So next step, what you would do is make sure that you are logged in and connected to your Vevox account. But for this video, I'm just going to go straight through to slideshow mode, click on simulate polling, open my poll and get some results, and then close that poll. And then that is it. That is all you need to do to convert your turning point slides into Vevox polls.